we arrived in Sofia, Bulgaria last night. It was so tired. But passing by the immigration is so easy and fast. And now I want to show you my apartment here. This is our entrance here. It's very beautiful blue color big door, and they have mirror. Well, you can see this one is a bathroom, toilet. A very good shower. I already tried yesterday. Very clean and very nice toilet here. They have also shoe rack here. You can put all your shoe here. And this is our place. Hello, handsome.
Hello, beautiful.
That's my boyfriend, Dan. It's beautiful living room here, and they have a sofa. And this is my favorite part. Kitchen. They have coffee maker machine. Oh, water filter for this. A water boiler and washing machines, dishwashers, fridge, and the microwave of this ovens. But yeah. It's all completely very nice kitchen. I love everything here. Also, for sure they have pot and pan. I just show you some of the things they have here. And this is our view. Very charming neighborhood here. This is Dan picked this place because he was here before one time. He knows where to stay. Thank you so much.
Chung found this place. I picked the neighborhood.
And this is the heater. They have heater. And this is our bedroom there where we sleep. Very good bed. I sleep very good last night. Very nice. And this is bedroom, have everything. Also, you can see the view here. Very nice. So this is our beautiful place. Very nice.
Yeah, I love it.
So this is our place, and today is the Easter day in Bulgaria, so a lot of shop is not open, you know. So
yeah, we found luckily we found a mini market so we could get Chung a sandwich for breakfast and some milk for our coffee, and I got some cashew nuts. And we're hoping later we'll find a restaurant.
Yeah. Hopefully later we found a restaurant, and now we have to go. So much.
What is that, candy?
I think it's candy. Let me open for you see. It's nice. Oh, it is candy.
Yeah?
I have it before.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me try open it.
Honey, walnut, dates.
Yeah.
Good?
It's good. Yeah. Like it? Good, huh?
It's nice. So it's Easter and a lot of stuff is closed. But Chung found this vegan, I call it street food. It's right here in the street we're eating. Check out this menu. It's got vegetarian, vegan, burgers, tacos, all sorts of stuff.
Also the best street food for continue.
Best street food, 20 and 21 and 23. So, what can you say? Nice work, Chung. Here's Chung's burger. It's a brioche bun, beef patty, lettuce, crispy bacon, melted cheddar and Gouda, house chimichurri, barbecue sauce, pickles, lemon mayo. Holy cow! That's like taking over the world burger. I think it's going to taste good. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I love your food, so it should be good.
What's this?
Chips.
You gotta. There you go. You bite right in there. Is that good? All right. Nice.
It's good, huh? Wow.
It's really nice. Water fountains. Sunday afternoon on Easter. We're gonna follow this fountain up there and see where it leads. A big building over there.
morning, everyone. Today we are going for the grocery shopping, and first stop we are going to withdraw the money. Here is a bank here. It's called Post Bank. It's one of the good bank for withdraw money without the fee.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to our favorite grocery store.
Lidl. Here.
Careful.
I know. I think they stop for you.
They will, yeah. This is the EU.
This is EU.
There's the Lidl, probably our favorite grocery store in the world. It rivals like Trader Joe's in the US. In case you're into traders, this is where you want to go. It's about 1.8 of these to the US dollar. So this is where you get your $4 or $5 bottle of wine. You can spend more if you want, but they have it here. They got all the fruits and vegetables here. And this is local money per kg. Wow, look at that tomato. It's a serious tomato, man. Heirloom, I guess we'd call them in the US. And then the $500 ml or large beers. A couple different choices. They also have foreign if you're into it. And this is like $1, a little more. $1.50 or whatever. Half these is great beer from Turkey. Wow, a buck. That man's nuts. Grab him.
Hello everyone. So we just finished our grocery shopping in Lidl in Sofia.
Sofia, Bulgaria, and we talk about Lidl all the time. Some of you pronounce it Lidl, but it's our favorite grocery store in the world. And we're about to show you why. By the way, this is the brand.
A souvenir from the Lidl.
Souvenir.
Okay. My favorite thing here is the ham. I love to get the ham everywhere because if you want to eat those ham in Asia, it will be very expensive. And also I love the bread because bread is very easy to get in Lidl and all is a good bread. That's what I love. Everything here. And the blueberry. And what about you?
Well, the things that are expensive here, when you're trying to think of what this should cost, we have blueberries here. You have 3 kinds of European cheese. Hummus. This is balsamic vinegar. This is organic extra virgin olive oil. Look at these olives with garlic inside. Let's see. Asparagus. Do you like asparagus? And then some other expensive things. Do you know what nuts cost now? You have walnuts, almonds, mixed nuts. And look at these heirloom tomatoes. I mean, more cheese. Like this is like a flavored Philadelphia kind of cheese, but more flavorful. So what do you think this all costs? Now, I left the USA in 2007. I visit once in a while, but when I left in 2007, this would have been $120 maybe for this sort of high quality product. Now, I don't even know, 180 bucks? You tell me what this would cost. But guess what it costs here in Bulgaria at the Lidl store?
I thought that when you pay money, I think at least we need to spend about $120 to $150.
Yeah.
You know, and then after paying everything, I asked you, how much it cost?
It's 145 Bulgarian.
It's about $80 US. I was like, what? You have olive oil, you have balsamic, you have those cheese and a ham, you know, and like, wow.
Very healthy stuff.
Very healthy stuff.
And so 80 bucks splurging.
Then made omelette today. It's very nice omelette. This Dan cooking. Thank you so much, chef.
Yeah, it's nice to be cooking again.
This is what I was drinking tonight, and this is my chef here. My chef cooking a pasta.
What's my salary?
Your salary is on the way.
On the way.
Yes.
Delivered?
Yes. It's our Airbnb. They also provide this filtered water, which is nice. And you can tell from this one here, it's going to 0. That means that we need to change this soon. It's cool. It's nice that this time we have dishwashers. So you know.
We don't have these in Asia much.
Yeah. So we don't need to wash our dishes this time.